Believe in yourself and all that you are. Know that there is something inside you that is greater than any obstacle. Good morning, dear children. Today we'll start about that operating system. We studied about functions of operating system, types of operating system. Today about a particular type of operating system, that is your Windows 10. Okay, very popular operating system. Windows is an operating system developed by Microsoft, world's leading software company. It provides GUI, graphical user interface, that makes the interaction between the computer and the user easy. Windows is called so because its interface resembles a glass window through which you can see and have different views. Means Windows is compared with a glass window. As you look through the glass window, you can see the outside view. Just like that, if you look through the Windows program, you can see what operations or what actions and what tasks you can perform. Okay. Windows 10 is the latest version of Windows and was released on July 29. Windows was released on July 29 to 2015. It is more attractive than Windows 7 and Windows 8 and provides a complete set of new features such as pictures, themes, and icons. Okay, now starting Windows. When you switch on your computer, Windows starts automatically and displays a welcome screen with a login message. That means where you have to enter your username and password. It is followed by the first screen of Windows known as desktop. It contains some graphic symbols called icons. So small pictures present on the desktop are known as your icons. The bottommost bar is known as your taskbar. The corner, rightmost corner, some informations are there, that is known as your notification area. Okay. Now come to see these two pictures. So the taskbar, the bottom bar, bottommost bar, contains start menu, search box, quick launch programs, then notification area. You can see the picture very well. Okay, in search box you can type the name of any program you want to search. Start menu contains the programs, frequently used programs, and it contains the power button also to switch off your computer, settings also. Okay, quick launch program means programs which are present here can be directly accessed from here without going to its original location. Okay, and this notification area contains some informations like your system date, time, speaker, battery, your network. These all informations contains this notification area. Okay, so the desktop contains small icons known as your small pictures, graphic symbols or pictures known as your icons. Okay, some are your shortcut icons and some are other document icons are also there on the desktop. Okay, so now comes to desktop. The word desktop has been derived from the real life desktop, the top of your working table, where you may find a pen stand, notepad, calculator, files, etc. The desktop of Windows also serves the same purpose. You can find various icons like shortcut icons, document icons, disk drive icons, etc. on your computer's desktop. Clear? Icons. The smallest graphic symbol displayed on the computer screen are called icons. The user can perform all operations through these icons. Each icon has a program dedicated to it that runs when the icon is double clicked. That means whatever icon present on the desktop, when you will double click on that icon, or you can right click and open that icon, you will select open option, that program will open or that program will run for the user. Okay. So next one is your menu. In a graphical user interface, menus helps the user find information under execute a program function. A menu contains an organized set of options related to a particular operation. File, your edit, format, these are your menus. Okay, and every menu contains different options that helps the user to execute a program or a function. Clear? Taskbar, as I have shown you, a taskbar is a long horizontal bar located at the bottom of the desktop. It is divided into the following sections. First one is your start button, then quick launch icons, taskbar where you can pin up the programs, then notification area which contains the informations like your date, time, your battery, network, speaker volume, everything. Clear? The start button. It is present at the bottom left corner of the taskbar. When you click on the start button, the list of options appears. This list is called start menu. When you click on the start button, the one list appears. That list is called start menu. Start menu is used to perform common tasks such as starting a program, searching files and folders, shutting down the computer, and much more. You can find File Explorer, settings, and a list of the most used apps on the left side of the start menu. Okay, when you click on the start menu, you will find that how to search starting a program, searching files and folders, shutting down the computer. Okay, and you can find File Explorer also, setting a list of the most used apps on the left side of the start menu. Clear? Then middle section. The middle section of the bar shows the opened programs as buttons. Here you can add commonly used programs such as Internet Explorer, Word program, and Windows Media Player. They can be opened with a single click. Means middle section of the taskbar which you are telling quick launch programs. You can bring up some programs there and in a single click it can be opened from there. Okay, they can be opened with a single click. When a program is active, its icon is highlighted in a single in a slider set with a bar below it. Okay, you can see whenever any program will open, you can find the taskbar. One bar, green color bar will be below it and it will be highlighted than the other icon. Okay. Notification area. The right side of the taskbar is known as notification area. It includes system date and time and a group of icons that tell the status and notifications about the programs running on a computer. Okay. For example, software updates, network connectivity, battery, speaker volume, etc. The pick button is present on the extreme right of the taskbar. One button is there known as your pick button. Extreme right you will find. Okay. If you click on this button to minimize all the opened up programs, windows and views the desktop. You can, if you click on that pick button, you can find which programs are open. Okay. So for today this much, and I think this chapter is over. Okay. I'll send you the question answers also. You write it in your copy. Any doubt, you send message me through Campus Care or you ask in the doubt class. Thank you all. Have a nice day.